Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving you own the phone, have your ID, purchase evidence, and the account email ready. Once done, charge the device above 50% and connect it to Wi-Fi so downloads and verifications don't fail. Make sure you know the exact model and operating system version because recovery steps differ. Write them down. If possible, prepare a trusted computer nearby. You'll use it for backups or official recovery tools. This trims delays and prevents accidental lockouts during the next steps. Next, apply official vendor methods rather than hacking. For Android, sign into your Google account and try Find My Device to reset a lock, or use the OEM recovery utility. Recovery mode can reinstall firmware if needed. For iPhone, sign into iCloud and use Find My iPhone to erase and set a new passcode, or connect to iTunes in recovery mode to restore. Always attempt backups first, cloud or local, because erasing or reinstalling will remove data. So to finish, restore your device from the backup you made, set a new secure passcode, and enable two-factor authentication to prevent future lockouts. If official recovery tools fail, contact your carrier or the manufacturer's support with proof of ownership. They can guide account-level solutions or hardware checks. If data was erased and it's critical, consider a reputable professional data recovery service. Keep expectations realistic. One key troubleshooting tip: if activation or account verification stalls, sign out and back in on the vendor website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.